Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I thought we'd take a stroll through their mugs and their little plasticware and glassware. Let's see what they have, guys. So along the top up there you have the Betty Crocker containers. I can't really reach up that high, and then the Sure Fresh is along the top there. Then if you come over here you have the fork and spoon set for the kids, and they come in multicolor, guys, so they're the colors. Then you have the little cereal bowls with the straw, and those come in multicolor also, guys. And the little sippy cups, and those come in multicolor also. Then if you come over here, you have these, these are sippy cups, and then you have these kind of cups. Then you have these little snack containers, guys. They're so cute. Look at this one, Paw Patrol. And you have this one here. And you have the little Princess Frozen there, and some Marvel characters here. And so you also have Paw Patrol, the little sandwich container here. Isn't that cute? Then you have the bigger cups, guys. So these are your bigger sippy cups, and these are the smaller ones. I don't know if you could see, that's a big size difference. So those come in multicolor too. Then they have these kind of cups, guys. So these are Star Wars. It's a nice size cup. Then you have these. Aren't they adorable for the little girls? Little girl cups. So let's come over here. So they have Minnie Mouse, and they have Mickey Mouse back there, and Ninja Turtles, I think. And then you have that sippy cup there. So here's Mickey Mouse, and here's Minnie. Then you have Spider-Man. Then you have the Legos cup. Okay, then you have the emojis. Aren't they adorable, guys? They're so cute. And then here's some more of these, but these are a different shape. They look like water bottles. And then these. Now these, you can unscrew the bottom and put snacks on the bottom. Isn't that adorable? That's really nice for the car, or traveling, or for anywhere really. So here's the lunch trays, guys. These are so cute. Then over here you have the plastic forks. I think that's genius, guys, the plastic forks. And here's the wooden cocktail picks. Then they have the heart picks. That's so adorable, those plastic picks, because you can wash those. They're reusable. Okay, so then they have these water bottles, which is pretty big water bottle. Then you have these containers here, and those come in multicolor. And then you have 2 tumblers for $1, and they come in white and the blue. And here are the bowls, guys. So the bowls come 3, and they're in the red, white. The white is back there, red, white, and blue. Then they have these, guys. So I would think these are adult drinking cups, and they also come in a 3-pack. So here's the bigger bowls. And guys, these are some nice bowls. So you get a 2-pack here, and that's also in the red, white, and blue, guys. And here's some more of those snack containers. And these cups, you get 3 for $1, and they come in red and white. So here, guys, you have these containers here, and they come in blue, green, white, and I think there's a pink one back there. And some more of these lunch trays. Some more of those drinking cups. And then these here are the little, is this a bonus pack? No, it's just a 2-pack for snacks. So here it is in gray and blue and the pink right here. So these containers here are sandwich containers, and they come in the pink, and I see them in the blue and that lighter, like that turquoise back there. And then here are your color bottles with the cork. So if we come over here, we have the regular mugs. These are really nice. I think I'm gonna do a DIY with this black one. Okay, so you have these coffee mugs right here, the plain ones. Then these over here says, my favorite person is my dog. This check me out. And a house is not a home without paw prints. My favorite person is a dog. Let's see if we find something new. No, I think these are all the same, guys. So I don't think I see anything new. Okay, so that's all I have. And then my favorite person is a cat. So that's cute. At least they have one of each. Then here are your white mugs, and then here you have your grips here for your cups. Then you have algebra. This is cute. Yet another day has passed without me using algebra ones. That is so adorable. Look at this, Netflix, Nutella, and snaps. I'm about that life. That is so adorable. I like that. So not all of them have writings on it, guys, but those are really funny. All right, sorry I'm late. I didn't want to come. And that's it. Whoever is in charge of making sure I don't do stupid stuff is fired. Life is short, smile while you still have teeth. Wow. Then you have these guys. Okay, so I never seen these before. These on-the-go cups here. You get 2 for $1. So this one over here says drink up. I don't think I've ever seen that. This one is Rise and Grind. Let's read them. Adventure Fuel. Make Today Amazing. That's new. And then you have Adventure Fuel. Okay, and then you have these anti-grips along the bottom here, guys. Aren't they nice? So you have the square white dishes. Then you have, these are standard here, the black bowls, and then here are the plates. As a matter of fact, I have these. And then they have these mugs to match. And I love the gray color, guys. This gray color is nice, but they don't have the full set here today. So here are the clear ones. I'm liking the clear ones too. So here are the bowls, and then here are the plates. And then the smaller plates are up here. Gold charger ones, plates are over there, and then your white mugs are up here. Then your salt and pepper shaker and the mason jar shape, these are $1 each. Okay, so they have those. Then they have these fancy bowls. Now these used to be bigger than this, guys. Now they're coming smaller, just so you know. And then these are the smaller beer mugs, where these are the bigger ones right here. And I'm loving those oil and vinegar jars. So here's a margarita cup, glass. And then you have, this is random. This is happy birthday. What is that? Happy birthday to my partner in wine. Some of those are so funny. So then you have your bachelorette dash and happy birthday, and then these come 4 in a pack, guys. So I think these are nice. I use them for DIYs. And then I don't think I've ever seen this size mason jar before. I think I'm gonna grab that, but I don't think I've seen this mason jar before. So then they have these jars over here, guys, and these right here. So these glasses, I don't know, I'm loving these glasses. They don't, it could be the stemless ones. So then here's the margarita glasses, and here's the black. And here is the one that has the recipes for your drinks. Manhattan, daiquiri, whiskey sour. Hooray, it's my birthday. And then here's your Coca-Cola glasses right there. Then this is another weird mug. I've never seen that before. I don't think I'm liking it, but maybe one of you guys like that. That's new. Then I like these. These are definitely nice. And I'm also liking these glasses here. And those drinking glasses there. Here's just regular size beer glasses. And then down here, I like this fancy one here, and I like this one. So here are the huge beer mugs, and then here are the drinking glasses. Those are pretty thick, guys. Okay, so you have some more of those glasses up there, the wine glass, no, the champagne flutes on the end. And here they go over here. And this is a nice color green, guys. These are wine glasses. I'm not really sure what you call these, but they have some of those. And if you come over here, you'll see, I call these water glasses. They're not exactly shaped like wine glasses. And then here's that beautiful color again. So then they have this drink type of a glass, and here's some more fancy ones right here. These are nice. Okay, so then you have some wine glasses, drinking glasses, and you have that all along that side. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to check out their plasticware, glassware, and dishes. And I'll see you in the next video.